Hi, I'm Paul from R&C and I'm excited today because I've got a plasma cutter from GYS to demo. Let's have a look. The GYS Easycut 40. This bad boy can cut steel up to 20mm thick. Let's have a look how it works and how easy it is to use. Let's get cutting. Right then, we're nearly ready for the demo. We've got the compressed air ready to go, that's connected to the plasma cutter. We've got the 240 volt power supply connected to the plasma cutter, and we've got the air piece connected to the work piece. So, we're just about ready to get cutting. Let's have a go. Right then, that was the demo for the GYS Easycut 40 plasma cutter. Practical, easy to use, compact, affordable, quality kit made in Europe. If you want a price and availability or maybe a demo, you know where to come, R&C Components. Thanks for watching the video, like and share.